Hey, omo make una forget o. Yo go definitely use him mouth talk all the truth. Na him by himself go talk the truth and no one else. Una see how me just dey look dem. Dey look dem. Na dem by themselves go confess. Oh. So right now no. Una know say yo no get himself. He is not himself. Juju Ekwensu na him be yo kama. Juju Ekwensu na him come expose yo. All the evil lolo, all the thing wey dey do for Nollywood, na Juju Ekwensu come put an end to yo. But Juju Ekwensu true, e make everybody know say this man is not who he is. He is not what Queen May think he is. He is not the kind of person that Queen May think he is. Queen May bin think say she marry a very God-fearing man, a very loving man, a very kind-hearted man. But she no know say na ndag. Anything under the sky, you want to chook eye, you want to see, you want to see, you want to do, you want to touch. So when Juju Ekwensu come, Juju Ekwensu know they like to share. That is why Juju Ekwensu is fighting Lizzy Godo. Make una open una ear. Juju Ekwensu know they like to share. Juju Ekwensu, no only Queen May Juju Ekwensu wants share with. Yes, why? Because you don't tell Juju Ekwensu say Queen May is the one that makes the money. So if you must do anything, make sure that it is only with Queen May. So Juju Ekwensu don't get that one at the back of her mind. Say yes, she can only share with Queen May, but any other person she no fit share with. She no fit share with. So right now, Juju Ekwensu no like the fact say yo leave her, go dey follow Lizzy Good, and social media people dey drag her. Make una hear this one o. Brothers and sisters, right now, yo na him by himself dey come confess say Juju Ekwensu put am inside wetin? Inside poverty level. We tell una say Juju Ekwensu no good. Yo you dey talk say Juju Ekwensu na the peace giver, the peace bearer, the peace this, the peace that. When time reach, you go use your mouth talk am, and e don dey happen as we talk. Tell una say yo go talk. Especially when the thing hit am like this, igbagam, e go always dey talk. Na the relationship of Yoyo and Juju Ekwensu matter. Na im Yoyo dey come tell us wetin dey sup between him and Juju Ekwensu, so that people go know say yes, Queen May truly, Queen May gave birth to legit children that are complete from head to toe. Everything about them complete. Una dey see Juju Ekwensu pikin dem. Yes, if una look Juju Ekwensu pikin dem well, una go know say one thing or the other, it is wrong with those children, and the children, they are not normal. Yo, you refuse to appreciate every good thing that Queen May and her family did for you. What did you do? You threw mud on their faces. So anywhere where you end like this, that one concern you. It concern you. It's good say you end up with Judy Austin so that you will learn. You refuse to learn in a soft way, you will definitely learn in a hard way. You be spoiled pikin. You be spoiled pikin. So you by himself na him dey come talk all these things. Hey, say all the children wey Juju Ekwensu give am, say one dey get one thing, one dey get the other thing. You check this one get like this. Una remember the time when they be born that last one? I no wan call the pikin name because na pikin matter. That last one when Juju Ekwensu carry herself go meet Babalawo, when Babalawo run her for am, Babalawo mix all the concoction give am. When I tell una say devil no dey give things with good intention. E go give you thing o, e go give you anything wey you want, sharp e go give you, but he will definitely miss it. E go make your happiness no dey complete. Only God gives all things perfect. That is why he is a perfect God. Juju Ekwensu go meet Babalawo miss give am, but he give am two things in one. That baby of Yoyo know say that baby, that last baby of them with Juju Ekwensu, na two in one. Yes, two in one baby. So the baby na he, she, abi na she, he, all join. Even grandpa confirm am, because grandpa una know him na a person when they find out. He don't find out, he don't see. And this one alone, it don't cause a lot of gbegerity for inside the Edochie family. When grandpa hear this one, that's why Tanana yo say, come, yo go. There's no be small ritual grandpa perform on top your head. He perform a lot of rituals. He gather things all come start to dey do all those things, that try to cleanse Yoyo, so that this kind calamity cannot happen again. Say in the history of Edochie, nobody don give birth to this kind pikin. He, he boy, girl. You go inside and shut the door with your shame. We don't want to hear any pim again. Yes, nobody is asking you for all of this thing. Una remember when Mr. Bassey called Jude Quinso family of marry one, marry all. Now wetin Yoyo dey inside. Yoyo no just marry Jude Quinso, he marry Jude Quinso mama, he marry Jude Quinso papa, he marry Jude Quinso sister, he marry Jude Quinso cousin, he marry all of them. Yo, ever since Juju Ekwensu enter im life, e say nothing good dey enter im hand again. Any money wey just enter, e be like say dem carry straw keep there. As money dey enter, e dey comot. As e dey enter, e dey comot. Him ma no dey know where the money dey go to. That is why Odogwu Amubingo cannot do anything tangible with his life. Queen May left him and he has not been able to achieve one particular thing. Make una ask Yoyo, wetin be that thing gan when he don achieve ever since Queen May left. Ever since Queen May said, a do is a do, I cannot do with you again. Nothing to write home about. Yes. Mr. Bassey said Judy Austin is a financial setback. People they say, this is your S5. How will you say that such a thing? Is it Mr. Bassey that tag her like that? Now waiting Mr. Bassey don't hear. Indeed, though, our Queen May suffered. Queen May suffered. So why God brought her out of that place, nobody can tell. Jude Ekwensu came as a relief for Queen May's bondage. Yes, it is quite unfortunate that things are going bad like this for you. He did not learn in a soft way. He is gonna learn in a hard way. Now, still him, they can't tell us say he is a coconut head man. He know they hear. He know they hear. So you like this now, you don't agree with Mr. Bassey, say this family now marry one, marry all. Marry one, marry all. When you marry brother, you marry sister, you marry cousin, you marry all the entire family. Oga, you na in dey cry like this. So what a life. What a life. How you ended up with an Olosho woman. Yes. Upon all the good deeds of Queen May, what Queen May and her family they do to you, what did you pay them back? Stabbing. He backstabbed them. He threw them their love, their kindness into moto. Into moto. Yes. That is why you're supposed to prostrate, they give the allegories. They prostrate, they give them because they gave him a good woman. A woman that knows no evil. Queen May heart is as pure as immaculate. Queen May cannot even hurt an ant, but see wetin Yoyo do to her at the end. See wetin Yoyo do to her at the end. When Queen May prayed that prayer, I know a lot of things came to ran through her mind. How she ended up saying, may God judge you both. And God is really judging them. God is really judging them. Yes. Oga you anyhow when e be make e be o, na you go find Juju Ekwensu. Anybody when they tell you say na like this all this thing go end, you no go believe o. For im mind now, he came to pepper Queen May. He came to he has gotten the best of all. He has gotten a woman that matches him. At least him and Juju Ekwensu they be celebrity. Now the celebrity where they be now for inside their house, inside their warm room and parlor. Juju Ekwensu no get where to go. You now they jump from one asaba bush to the other. Oh shit, life gets a way of treating people. Life have a way of paying people back. When you pay a good person with evil, know that your own turn is coming. Now like this, you take end in life. So nobody they pity bad person. No, I can never ever pity a bad person in my life. Never.